Snow bear. Yes! Tama! Next! My name is Justin Piñon, and people call me the mental assassin because of my ability to read minds.
Yes.
Are you holding the item?
Yes.
Yes, the audience, I'm not sure what the item is holding, but can you see the item?
Yes!
Yes, based on how I said yes, I can say, marami sumagot sa harapan, parang medyo maliit to, tama ba?
Yes!
Yes, can you see the color?
Yes!
White. Some are thinking silver, some are thinking blue.
This guy!
It's super small, you can keep it inside your hand.
Come on! This guy!
I'm not sure what this is. Maraming mga girls na kinikilig nung pagkasabi nilang yes, hindi ko alam kung bakit. But am I right in saying, Reggie, that you are holding some sort of a candy?
Yeah!
Yes! What kind of candy? Isipin mo, Reggie, kung anong candy yan, ha? Alam, huwag niyo sabihin sa akin, pero alam niyo ba kung anong candy to?
Alam!
Alam, okay, good. Isipin niyo kung anong candy. Everybody, please say yes.
Yes!
Snow bear. Yes!